Welcome to my video on using sequence fields for numbering in Word. For the purposes of this video, I'll show you that each SEQ field has three parts. These are the field name, an identifier, which is a name for this list, and optional switches, which change the number format and control the sequenced numbering. The procedure to create predictable numbered lists in Word using SEQ codes has several steps. Step A. Create a paragraph style for your numbered lists to set indents and tabs for a consistent appearance. If it's not too confusing for you, you might give the style the same name as the field you learned to create in this video. Step B. Create a sequence field code with a unique name for the first item in a list. Step C. Add some text decoration to follow each number in your list. Step D. Set up an autocorrect shortcut to replace a couple of characters with the number 1. Step E. Create another sequence field code with the same name for all subsequent items in the list. Step F. Set up a second autocorrect shortcut to replace a different couple of characters with the next number in your list. Step G. You can apply the new style from Step A to your list at any point. I'm skipping Step A for this video because otherwise it will become much too long. You probably already know how to set up a new style in Word to cope with tab settings and hanging indents. If you do not, make sure to Google it. Also, it will help you to see the fields in your document if you've changed Word options in the File menu to always show field shading. So, starting with Step B, I'm going to create a sequence field code with a unique name that I will use each time I want to start this type of list. Insert on the menu bar, go to Quick Parts, and then pick Fields. In Categories, pick Numbering, then in Field Names, pick SEQ. Over in the Field Codes field, where it reads SEQ, type in a one-word name for your list, such as AR_nums for Arabic numbers. Note, if you name it AR_nums, you will see an error about bookmarks. Click Options at the bottom of the Field dialog box. The Field Options dialog box opens. Use the General Switches tab to pick the number formatting. 1, 2, 3 is produced using the * Arabic switch. Lowercase ABC is produced using the lowercase * alphabetic switch. Uppercase ABC is produced using the uppercase * alphabetic switch, etc. Pick 1, 2, 3 and click Add to Field. Type a space after the * Arabic switch. Click the field-specific switches tab. Select \R. Click Add to Field, then type space 1 after the R in the Field Codes field. The 1 means that whenever you use the autocorrect code that you're going to set up to insert this field, list numbering will start at or return to 1. Your field should now look like this. Sequence, list name, \* Arabic, \R1. Click OK twice to close both dialog boxes. There will be a 1 where your cursor was. In Step C, we now add some text decoration to follow each number in your list. Display all non-printing characters by clicking the Pilcrow sign. Insert a separator character to follow each number, for instance, a period, a closing bracket, or both, and then click Tab after the field code. Step D. Set up an autocorrect shortcut to replace a code with the number 1. Select the field that now reads 1, period, followed by the tab character. Do not include the pilcrow in what you copy. Either right-click and choose Copy, or click Ctrl-C to copy this into the clipboard. To open the Autocorrect Options dialog, select File from the menu bar, then Options, Proofing, and then you can click the Autocorrect button. In the Replace Text as You Type section, in the Replace field, type the number 1 followed by the closing square bracket. We pick these because it is unlikely you would type this combination regularly. In the same section, select Formatted Text radio button in the With field. If formatted text is grayed out, you didn't copy the formatted text prior to creating the autocorrect entry. Go back and try again. Just don't copy the pilcrow. In the list of saved autocorrect entries below where we were just working, you should see 1, square bracket on the left, and SEQ, etc. on the right. It ends in merge format *1***. Click OK twice to get back to your document. Step E. Now we must create another sequence field code to number all subsequent items in the list. Select Insert, Quick Parts, Field from the menu bar. In Categories, select Numbering. In Fields, select SEQ. Reuse the list name, in our example ARNums. Pick 1, 2, 3 and click Add to Field. Type a space after the \* Arabic switch. Click the Field Specific Switches tab. Select the switch \n. Example SEQ list name \* Arabic \n. The \n switch invokes the next number in the series. Click OK twice to close the dialog boxes. There will be a 2 where your cursor was. Again, we insert a separator character to follow each number, for instance a period or a closing bracket, and click Tab after the field code. Step F. Set up a second, different autocorrect shortcut code to replace with the next number in your list. Select the field that now reads 2 and the tab character, the right arrow. Click Ctrl-C to copy this into the clipboard. Do not copy the pilcrow. Open the Autocorrect Options dialog. Select File from the menu bar, then Options, Proofing, and click the Autocorrect button. In the Replace Text as You Type section, in the Replace field, type 2 square bracket, closing square bracket. In the Replace Text as You Type section, under With, select the Formatted Text radio button. If formatted text is grayed out, you didn't copy the formatted text prior to creating the autocorrect entry. Try again. When you click Add, the With field will populate with the SEQ field codes. Click OK twice to get back to your document. With this configuration, you would type 2 closing square bracket for all numbers in the list other than the first item. So to get the number 3, you type 2 close square bracket again, and the sequence automatically generates the next number. Step G, you can apply the new style from Step A to the list at any point. Repeat the above procedure for other numbered list styles, such as alphabetic and Roman numerals, by creating a style for each type with tab stops so that second-level numbers, usually lowercase alphas, are indented appropriately, as are third-level numbers, usually lowercase Roman numerals. There are 4 important notes you need to know about. Number 1, Word does not automatically update fields in your document, including sequence fields or your table of contents. To quickly update all SEQ and TOC fields in your document, select All by pressing Ctrl A and press F9. Always do this just before you print. Note 2, when you use the autocorrect entries to insert sequence fields for numbering, remember to apply the paragraph style you created in Step A to handle spacing of the list. Note 3, so that you don't have to go through these steps every time you create a new Word document, but you want to use sequential numbering, execute these steps in your normal.m template. After executing each of the steps to test they work, remove all text/content in the file. Close the file and you should be prompted to replace the existing normal.m file. After that, every new document will automatically have these modifications. You might also want to make a specially named copy of this normal.m file, perhaps normalnum.m, so that if you have to blow away the existing normal.m, you won't have to repeat these modifications. Finally, Note 4, Word Help reminds us that a sequence field in a header, footer, annotation, or footnote doesn't affect the sequence numbering that results from using SEQ fields in the document text. Thank you for watching my video. I hope what you learned will prove useful to you.